Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have both spreadsheets open. Now begin by selecting the destination cell where you want live data. Type an equals sign to start a formula. This tells Sheets you will reference another location. If the data is in another tab of the same file, click that tab and select the range. Sheets will insert the reference like Sheet 2. A2. Once done, press Enter to populate and verify the linked values appear, ensuring sheet names and ranges are correct. When the source lives in a different file, use import range so the link stays live. Start by pasting the source spreadsheet URL into the formula and specify the exact sheet name and range, for example, equals import range, https:// sheet 2 A2C10. After you press Enter, Sheets will ask you to allow access, except that so data can flow. Make sure the sheet name matches exactly, and that the range uses absolute references if you plan to copy the formula across cells. To finalize, copy formulas across target cells or wrap with array formula to cover expanding rows. This keeps links updating automatically. If you see #ref or hash value, make sure you granted import range permission, the sheet name is spelled exactly, and ranges use correct punctuation and quotes. One quick troubleshooting tip: test the raw reference in a single cell first. If that works, replication is the issue. If not, fix permissions or naming before scaling up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.